everyone, welcome to Process Hub. Today, we're taking you inside a modern pizza factory, from raw dough all the way to those perfect melting pieces.
Workers begin by unloading raw flour from delivery trucks. Inspectors check the quality of incoming flour for impurities. Flour is moved to storage silos via automated conveyors. Technicians fill large silos with the raw flour supply. Yeast arrives and is unloaded by factory workers. Inspectors verify the yeast's viability and purity. Yeast is stored in controlled temperature units. Salt deliveries are unloaded efficiently by workers. Salt is inspected for consistency and quality. Salt is transferred to dry storage areas. Fresh tomatoes arrive for sauce preparation.
Inspectors select only the best tomatoes.
Tomatoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt. Steam peelers remove tomato skins efficiently. Peeled tomatoes are crushed into pulp. Pulp is cooked to form the base sauce. Herbs and spices are added for flavor. Sauce is cooled to preserve freshness. Milk arrives for cheese production. Milk is inspected for purity and fat content.
Milk is pasteurized to eliminate bacteria.
Cultures are added to start fermentation.
Rennet coagulates the milk into curds. Curds are cut to release whey.
Whey is drained from the curds. Curds are pressed to form cheese blocks.
Cheese is cooled to set properly. Cheese is grated for pizza topping. Meat arrives for pepperoni production. Meat is inspected for quality and safety. Meat is ground to a fine consistency. Spices are mixed into the ground meat. Mixture is stuffed into pepperoni casings.
Pepperoni ferments under controlled conditions.
Pepperoni is sliced for topping use.
Onions arrive as fresh vegetable toppings. Onions are sorted for quality. Onions are washed to remove debris.
Machines peel the outer onion layers.
Onions are diced for even topping. Flour is precisely measured for dough.
Water is purified for dough mixing.
Yeast is added in measured amounts.
Salt enhances the dough's flavor. Dry ingredients are combined first. Water is incorporated to form dough. Dough is kneaded to develop gluten.
Dough ferments to build flavor.
Dough is divided into portions. Portions are rounded into balls. Dough balls proof for optimal rise.
Dough is flattened into bases.
Bases are shaped for uniformity. Sauce is evenly applied to bases. Grated cheese is added next. Ordnungspreisel. Toppings are placed precisely. Assembled pizzas undergo quality control.
Pizzas are loaded for baking.
Baking ensures perfect melting. Baked pizzas are carefully removed. Pizzas cool to set toppings. Pizzas are sliced evenly. Final inspection confirms quality. Pizzas are wrapped for freshness.
Labels provide product information. Pizzas are boxed for distribution.
Boxes are prepared for storage.
Finished pizzas are stored awaiting shipment.